Asking direction.
Hi, John.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
I am looking for the railway station. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the railway station. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there is a restroom around here?
Yes, it's here. It's in the store.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I am hungry.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
I am fine, son. How are you doing?
Nothing, Mom.
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
What do you want to eat?
I'd like to eat noodles.
Okay, I will cook in no time.
Thank you, Mom.
It's okay, son. Do you want something to eat? Jacob, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Which coffee do you want?
I'd like to get cappuccino.
Okay, I'm going to order for you.
Thank you, Jesse.
You're most welcome, Jacob.
Choosing a time to meet.
Jenny, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes. That would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow morning?
Okay. What time?
Is 9 p.m. right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 6th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that restaurant.
Okay then, see you soon there.
See you soon.
That's too late.
Lucy, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay. When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. Usually I go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you